Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and today we have to learn topic numbers up to 200. Okay, now common topic that is numbers up to 200. Okay, so there is a poem given. You can see here that numbers all around us on the clock, they tell the time. On my car, the number is mine. House addresses have numbers. Your age is another. The date today is another. Number all around us. This line is last in number. Here you can say here that numbers all around us. Numbers all around us. As example, on the clock, you can see the numbers from 1 to 12, and on my car the number is mine. On number plate you can see numbers of different cars, and house addresses have numbers. And when you see carefully house addresses, that there are also numbers. Okay, and your age is a number, and if you are 7 years old, then 7 is a number. The date today is another. Today date is 5, and tomorrow that will be 6. Okay, so today date is also a number. So numbers are around us. This line is last in number. Okay, and there are some riddles given, so you have to solve these riddles. I am greater than 12. There is a riddle. I am greater than 12. 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 I am less than 25. I am less than. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7, and my ones digit is 7. Okay, that is the number. I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. So what will be number here? What will be number here? Okay, so that is I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. So the number is 17. What is the number? 17. Okay, the number is 17. The next riddle is I am less than 34. I am less than. I am less than 34. I am less than 44 and greater than 28, and greater than 28. I am less than 44 and greater than 28. I have more ones than tens. I have more ones than tens. More ones than tens. Okay, what will be this number? You can guess. Can you guess the number? I am less than 34 and greater than 28. I have more ones than tens. Okay, so that is B. So the number will be 29. I am less than 44 and greater than 28. I have more ones than 10. That is 29. Okay, now come on next riddle, that is I am between 89. I am between 89. I am between 89 and 93. I am between 89 and 93. I rhyme with mighty. I rhyme with mighty. What will be the number? I am between 89 and 93. I rhyme with mighty. Okay, so that is 90. The number is 90. Okay, and letter for R. Okay, and now the next riddle is I am greater than 90. I am greater than 90. I am greater than 90 if you subtract me from 100, you get 0. From 100 you get 0. What will be number? That is, I am greater than 90. If you subtract me from 100, you get 0. Okay, what will be the number? Can you guess the number? That will be 100. Okay, so the number is 100. And now what we have to do? There we have to fill I love dash. Here is a circle and a 70, and you and for 29 there is a circle, and for 100 there is a circle also. Sorry. 129. There is also 100. Here is 100 and here is 29. And now that E and 90 and S. 90 and S. Here what we have to fill? I love. For 17 there is N, so we have to fill here N. For 100 there is M, so we have to fill here M. For 29 there is B, so we have to fill B. And for 90 there is R, so we have to fill here R. Okay, now take the screenshot. Now the next topic is numbers up to 200. Okay, so there is an example given. Shreya and Atul have sets of 100 blocks, 10 blocks and 100 blocks. They also have some single blocks and they want to use the blocks to make different number. This is a set of 100 blocks. Set of 100 blocks, that means there are 100 blocks, and I more block will make the number, that is 101. In 100 block, when you will add one single block, the number will be 101. Okay, so hundreds, tens and ones. 100, tens and ones. There is tens and that is ones. This is a set of 100 block, so the number for 100 block, that will be 100. Okay, and when you will add 1 to 100, when you will add 1 to 100 blocks, that will be 101. That will be 101. Okay, that is ones, tens, 100. Okay, and now you can see here that there is 100 block, and when you will add 1 to 100 block, that will be 101 blocks. Okay, and now the number name for 101 is 101. The number name for 101 is 101. Okay, and now the next example is, I can make the number 130. For making number 130, you have to take one block of 100 and 3 block of tens. Okay, so that number will be 100. When you will take one block of 100, that will be 100, and when you will take 3 blocks of 10, that will be 30. Okay, so the number will be 130. So the number is 130, and in 130, 0 is ones, 3 is tens, and 1 is hundred. So that is number is 130, and the number name of 130 is ONE1, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, THIRTY, 30, 130. Okay, and now take another example. Now the next example is, that is, here are the blocks for 165. For 165, you have to take one block of 100 and 6 block of tens and 5 blocks of single blocks. Okay, so that make it one block of 100, that makes it 100, and 6 blocks of 10, that's make it 60, and 5 single blocks make it 5 ones. Okay, so 100 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones, that's make it 165. That is 165. And in 165, 5 is ones, 6 is tens, and 1 is 100. Okay, so that is 165. The number name for 165 is ONE1, 100, 165, 165. Okay, so the number name for 165 is 100, ONE1, HUNDRED 100, SIXTY 60, FIBE 5. And now you have to write a number. You have to write a number that is given on page number 8. What you have to do here, listen carefully. There is an example given, write a number. There is one block of 100, so that's make it 100, and plus 7 single blocks, that make it 7 ones. Okay, so 100 plus 7 ones, that is 107. So the number will be 107, and in 107, 7 is ones, 7 is ones, 7 is ones, 0 is tens, and 1 is 100. Okay, and the next will be, that was first 107, and then in next there is one block of 100, that makes it 100, and 2 blocks of 10, that make it 20. So 100 plus 20, that is 120. That's make it 120. Okay, and ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, and hundreds. And now the next is question number 3rd. There is one block of 100 and 3 blocks of tens, that makes it 30, and plus 6 single blocks. So 100 plus 3 tens, 30, plus 6, that is 146. So the number is 146. And in 146, 6 is ones, 3 is tens, and 1 is 100. Okay, now the next is, now you have to reading numbers. Read 140 aloud. Okay, read 140 aloud. In 140, there will be one block of 100. In 140, there will be, in 140 there will be one block of, that is 100, that pronounced as 100, 100, and 4 and 0 pronounced 40, FORTY, 40. Okay, so both it is read as 140, 140. Okay, 140. And now the next one is 129. In 129, that pronounced as 100, and 29 pronounced with 29. So in words that will be 129. 129. In your homework, you have to do exercise 1.1 in your book. Okay, and thank you for watching the video.